start with a new kit. Those of you that attended the recent Evolve You Tour event with Dr. Hill saw this kit there. It's here to stay. The Aroma Technique Kit. So this kit will be available on April 1st. The wholesale price is $246.50 with a PV of $242.50. So how many of you love that PV split for an enrollment kit? Pretty amazing. So you can see all the products in this kit, but one of the great things with this kit is that they get the online Aroma Touch training for free. So that's a $97 savings alone just in that training. Plus, you get the exclusive 15 ml bottle of Deep Blue. So that right there is a collector's item for all of you oil collectors. Okay, so if I had $1 for every time that I've been asked to bring back the Every Oil Kit, I may be sitting up here on the front row of Presidential Diamonds. Now, this is not the Every Oil Kit, but this oil collector's kit gives you the same opportunity to get most of our products into the hands of your people quickly at a great savings. So this new kit will be available on April 15th. For the number of products in this kit, it also has a great PV split with only a $200 difference, with an $860 savings. So I was hoping to go through all of the oils in this kit and in depth break down the chemical composition. But if you have any questions, go see Laura Jacobs. She'll walk you through every one of those. But one thing I do want to point out with this kit is the inclusion of Manuka, which is not available for individual sale in the US. And this kit will still come with the beautiful packaging and presentation. Okay, Healthy Habits Kit, one of our top kits, it's a classic, will remain the same with the addition of the new Deep Blue branding that will be phased in. One of the key things to note with this kit is the price of PV will be staying the same. No price increase. All right, Simple Solutions. Similar to the Healthy Habits, Simple Solution Kit will remain the same with the addition of the new Deep Blue branding. Once again, no price change or PV change with this kit, but you will see the new Deep Blue design update. One of our newer kits, the Cura Collection Kit, will still be available. Similar to the Simple Solutions Kit, there are just a few minor changes to include the new Deep Blue branding, and once again, no change to pricing or PV. You guys like no change to increase pricing on these kits? All right, Aroma Essentials Kit will have a few upgrades. So it will include a new rigid box that is meant to keep for displaying those beautiful oils. It's currently on the website for $149.50 with 110 PV. On April 15th, it will transition to the new rigid box and this new price. The price will be $155 with a 115 PV. So a $5 increase in both price and PV. All right, Healthy Start. These last three kits are updated to support the effectiveness during the enrollment process. It's all about simplification. And it's about storytelling while giving options. So this is the basic kit of 5 ml core oils at a friendly price. Once again, no price or PV change. We are reducing the packaging of this enrollment kit because we found that many customers add additional products to their orders. So this new modular setup will support that common occurrence. As you will see, we then support your marketing and duplication process of these upgraded options. Okay, so I remember having this conversation with Myra Powers about her duplication process, and she said, Russell, it's simple. I sell big bottles and I sell little bottles. It's simple. What do you want? Big bottles or little bottles? So we're returning to our previous oils that you can effectively offer 3 times the amount of oils from the Healthy Start Kit plus an upgraded diffuser. So you guys can thank Minor Powers for that. Once again, these are the same oils in the Healthy Start Kit, just in 15 ml bottles plus the Lalouse diffuser. Pricing did go up from $249 to $270, which is $21. But get this, PV is also going up from $200 to $235, an increase of $35. So, do you see the duplication process here? We start with little bottles in Healthy Start. Then you move to big bottles with Home Essentials. With the Natural Solutions Kit, we are including the same box of oils from the Home Kit, plus 2 additional oil blends, along with some of our best-selling consumables. This kit will be available on April 1st, and it includes my new favorite product, the Deep Blue Stick. You can see all the products that this kit contains, but think about how this locks a new person in. Getting LOV into a new enrollee's hands, our core oils, all the consumable products, a beautiful diffuser at a great price and a great savings. So here's what I love most about the new pricing and PV split on this kit. The prior kit was $485 with a 335 PV, $150 difference. The new kit is $450 with 345 PV. That's 105 difference. So you heard that right. Lower price, increased PV. So I have one more kit to show you. And I know you've been asking for something like this for a while, so thank you for being patient with us while we figured out how to work this with our systems. Because you get to use your own imagination while offering free enrollment. So we have heard you. We want you to create your own enrollment kit. Now, don't feel like you have to do this. There's wisdom in enrollment kits, the duplication process, and that first experience with those beautiful boxes. However, for those situations where enrollment kits don't work for the enrollee, you now have an option to customize and waive that $35 enrollment fee. And now you get it shipped for free. So here's what you need to know about this customized kit. The order needs to be over 150 PV to qualify for free enrollment. The system will automatically waive the enrollment fee for all enrollment orders over 150 PV. This promotion will run through April, May, and June. At that point, we will really evaluate and see how it's working. But based on that applause, I think it's going to work. So in summary, an enrollment order over 150 PV will qualify for free enrollment and free shipping. So that means an enrollment order in April will be $40 less than it was in February before free shipping. Okay, one kit that you have been asking for that isn't quite ready yet, that's coming later in this year, is an abode kit. So you can look forward to that. So if you have any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear from you. Come and talk to the team at the product lab, give them your suggestions and feedback, and enjoy all those new enrollment kits. Thank you.